Hey, Carla Silver here, and I have a question for you. Are you confused at all about how to build your Facebook engagement? Yes, I know almost every single person I ever talk to is. So here's the deal. Most people are saying to me, Carla, one guru tells me to do this, another guru tells me to do that, my upline tells me to do something else. What should I do? And I have you hooked up. I've done all the research for you and I put it in a cheat sheet that you can download right now to your desktop or phone or wherever and use right now. And if you implement the things in this cheat sheet, you have the opportunity to 10x your Facebook engagement. So click on the link and I will see you on the other side.